How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Are you tired of using the clamps on your CTEK charger every time you want to charge your car? On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do hardwiring on your CTEK charger so you don't have to do that anymore. All you have to do is connect the connector and that's it. Now, let's start the video. Okay, so first we have to loosen this 310mm plastic nut here. By turning it quarter turn counterclockwise. Now we have to take out this clip here. Just press and lip. And pull it out. So we can see that the positive here is connected to the wall here. Maybe we can take this positive here and the negative we can take to the ground here, to the body. But first we're gonna check if there's really a voltage in that nut there. Got my multimeter here. I'm gonna connect to the positive. I'm gonna connect to the negative. So we're getting 12.5 volts from this positive here to the negative there. So we can connect the negative here and the positive there. So this is the Hardwire connector that came with a CTEK. So the red we're gonna put on the positive, the negative is the black one. You have to keep in mind that the positive is very close to the negative bar here. So be careful when you work on that section there. I'm also gonna put a rag here so in case the nut falls up, it's not gonna drop and get lost. It's still gonna be in the rag. I have to protect this bar here so when I use my tool, I don't accidentally touch it. So I'm gonna use a 13mm socket with an extension. There you go. Now we're gonna connect the positive terminal. Put this again so we don't accidentally touch the metal. So tighten it. Just keep it snug. That's it. So T45 Torx to loosen this ground here. So put the negative cable, put it back. Tighten it. Okay. So you're gonna put back the cover. You can just let this thing pass over here on the top. That back into the slot. Come out here. To turn back the three-quarter turn, 10mm. So I'm gonna plug the charger. I'm gonna test if it's working. So now the CTEK is on. I'm gonna plug here and check if it's gonna work. Oh wow. Okay. That's a good sign. So it's working. Very easy to install. So if you have a CTEK charger and you wanna do hardwire, this is the best thing to do. Because you know, I used to clamp it every day. Every time I park my car, I use the clamps to connect my battery charger. Now it's hardwired permanently, so I can just plug in the connector and that's it. That's it, guys. So that's how you install the hardwire on the CTEK charger on your BMW. So please give this video a like. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.